Alright, here I am. I'm going to be doing some spot hopping today. I have 3 or 4 spots here in town, and then I'm going to Lathrop, possibly Manteca. I have an assortment of 6 different rods with me that I think will work at these different places. And let's see what we're taking right now. I'll take some top water, finesse, and Texas rig. We're already here at our first spot, Fritz Group Park, here in the north side of Stockton. It's a great little slough runs through here. It's a part of White Slough. It comes to a big U-shaped dead end down the way there. Great place for fish to spawn. Start off with some top water, a little Berkeley bullet pop. Little Berkeley Driftwalker 110. Try this guy out. Let's toss this worm for a minute. This is a Strike King Ocho, I think it's called. I got a bunch of packs of these for $1 each. Also got these for $1. The little Guggen baits, crack and crawl. Got about 5 or 6 packs of those for $1 each. Alright, we're here at spot 2. I actually had to go home and grab my GoPro charger. But now we're here at the dog park. I'm going to take chatterbait rod, top water, and a little swim bait. That's all I've ever got bitten on here. It's a perfect little bank fishing spot, besides all the trash. I have the chatterbait Elite, and I have found some, pretty sure, with a Guggen Baits fluke on there. I don't remember exactly what it's called. Try this little Strike King. I think it's a 4.75, a Rage tail thing. Oh my God, what the hell happened there? What did I just do? After some lengthy surgery and half my line gone, I cut out the freaking bird's nest. 1% left. This is my last cast and it's time to go. Alright, next spot. This is my last spot here in town, right here on the Calaveras, right next to UOP, right on Pacific Avenue. There's dinks in here, there's lunkers in here. Well, last spot I'm trying, last spot of the day, here in Lathrop, River Islands Ponds. Crankbait. You know what? I've just about had it today. I think I'm done. But I need to post a video. So you know what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna insert all the random fish catches I have on my computer that I don't know what to do with, because I need to put out some kind of video. It's been too long, and I have a bunch. What, 1, 2, 3 or 4 or 5 fish catches I have no idea what to do with, either because I wasn't recording at the right time, my battery was low, so I was trying to save the battery and only record when I caught the fish, or I just have a couple I don't know what to do with. So I'm gonna go ahead and put all those fish catches into this video, but I'll put my whole skunk day too, because that's the reality of fishing. There are better days to come. I think post spawn is my time to shine, honestly. Once the actual spawn is over with, I'm going to make one more cast with this chatterbait, and I'm going home to see my wife. Make it a nice long one. Oh my god, I got a fish. Get the hell out of here. Largemouth. Come here. Come on, bud. Come on. There we go. Good fish, about a 2.5 pounder. Take off. Oh! Oh, got a fish there. Come on. Jeez. Man, little fish took his meat out of his face. I don't know, a little pounder. Hell yeah. Go ahead. Another one. Another one. Yee. Another one. Little, about a pounder, maybe a little smaller than the other one. It's 2 fish on the chatterbait though. His teeth are sharp. These are eating on bait fish. Hell yeah. Oh, there we go. That's 2. Big largemouth. Holy sh!
I think that's the biggest one I've ever seen from here.
Good fish, huh? Wow. Wow, dude. Who thought this big, fat largemouth? I did not expect to catch a damn fish today. And that is a big fish. Get out of here. Dude!